Bili tayo ng motor ni Papa. No, wait a moment. I forgot the battery. Alam mo pa yung battery ng aking camera pala. Low bat. Uy, so bright. Let's go. It's so bright. Excited. Parang ako ang dito tayo sa bilihan ng motor. Let's go.
Yan lang, ka-charge 364.
Wala nang discount? Walang discount?
Wala namang discount.
Eto.
Yan lang ma'am, mura lang yan ma'am. Yan po ay 76,364.
Ano ba yung yung
Honda Beat lang po yan.
Wala na yata. Eto yung FI.
Yes ma'am.
Ganito yung kay Ate Alupa. Honda Beat.
Sa taas po meron po kami ibang unit kasi kumain.
Yung isang ganun.
86.
Yan naman po yung 125cc.
125. Ito. 115.
Hindi po, 110.
110. Yung akin pala ay mas mabilis kay Ate Alu. 125 yung akin. How much is that, kuya?
Click 160. 121,000 sir, 364.
121,620.
40 more.
No. 10 more. No, 121. 40 more. 86.
86. So 34 more.
Yeah.
35.
Around, about that.
Is he 125 or 160?
Ano daw pa? 125 o 160?
Yes po,
Mabilis
160.
pala to.
Mas mabilis po
Yung presyo.
126. 127.
Kung sige po, tumalo po tayo dito sa PCX.
Magkano yung ganyan?
Yan po yung road sync. 159, 364. O kaya po yung standard. 137.
Very expensive.
36 is nice.
He wants that.
That,
Ayaw mo ng Honda pa? Ay, ng Yamaha pa? 125 lang yan. Kasi yung sa Yamaha katulad sa akin, 125 din. Pero parang 80 lang yun. Pero maganda naman ang Honda.
Pwede siya. Premium.
but I would say get this.
Honda or Yamaha would be...
No, this is better because it's liquid cooled.
O yun daw ang mas maganda.
Yamaha ba yan?
Ano? Hindi, Honda sila.
So beat is
Eto, kuya, ano to?
Premium. Special edition na. Ganito.
Magkano naman yan?
Yan po ma'am, 89,364.
Pamahal,
3,000
mahal.
na po lang. Sa standard. Kasi po yun.
Same lang. Kulay lang nagkaiba
What
tsaka
is the difference?
parang style pa
Kulay
din.
lang.
Yeah, just the color and the style, I think. Yeah, but they're same 125. Puti ang gusto mo pa? Sayang yung motor ko.
Yan, dito sa model na po yan. Dito sa bahay ng kapulan.
Ay,
Sporty ilang
Yamaha yun. 110 lang ata ang sporty. Yung akin ay 125, yung binigay ko kay Ate Arlis. Cooler. Pwede pa card ate? 2 cards. Ay, hindi, cash. Hi! Cash basis. Saan kaya ang malapit na Metro Bank?
Video lang po. Plan po.
BDO. They are cash basis. We have to get some cash first. What?
I'm trying to see what the difference is.
Just the color and the design.
Just the colour.
Yeah. Special. They call it special edition. Let's get some cash first and let's look around. They're not gonna accept the cards. Cash basis.
So can we get some?
Saan ang bangkong malapit?
Na video po.
Dito?
I think,
BDO?
yeah. I'll get the bank.
They have PNB.
Not the bank transport.
I'm not sure because it's under maintenance, may online. No, they are cash basis. You cannot bank transfer. Unlike in the UK, isn't it? You can bank transfer.
If you want some, there's no point in looking
He
elsewhere.
wants Honda.
And okay.
So, pupunta tayo guys. Kuha tayong cash. So, gusto nila Honda.
you need 90.
Gusto ko ang Yamaha. I have no choice. I'm not gonna drive it. May videographer.
Kaya nag-video.
Ano video din yan? Pag sinabi ko mag-video, videohan mo ako.
Yeah, you're good, I think.
Video din yan siya.
You're going for the money.
Yeah.
The
Video daw.
Tonto, sino sa akin?
the build quality of the Honda is better than the Yamaha. Always has been.
Oh, mini.
But they're more expensive.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, they are expensive. Yung Honda Beat na nakita mo, ganun yung kay Ate Elu. FI din yun pa.
I like the black one, I
Parang
must
ano
admit.
kasi yun, injected fluid. Kaya FI yata ang tawag
Are you
doon.
going?
Yeah, but they are...
Yeah, well, they'll keep coming unless you go.
Pinaliwanag sa akin ng ano yung pagkakaiba. Ano ba pagkakaiba niyan dalawang? Sa bilis sir, pareho ang bilis niya.
You can stop it now.
Ang ano niyan, yung
Other
speaker,
one.
ari wala.
Balik tayo dito, guys. It's me. Kay mahal. Thank you. Anong freebies nan, kuya? May free ba yung helmet? Wala din. Sobra naman. Wala ding free helmet.
Wala free helmet.
Ganun talaga.
Yung po talaga yun, kung wala po kami dyan.
Wala ding free.
Ano naman? Free registration po. 3 years
Kasama na po sa
Ano pa?
3 years.
3 years naman talaga ang bago. Kahit sa kotse.
Hindi, yung plaka niya.
Matagal yun.
Magtutumas po katagal. Pag mission po.
Ay, mabilis ang plaka na yun. Saan kumuha si Nola ng motor sa Lucena?
Sa ano yan? Sa
Ayaw
Siargao.
niyo mag-Lucena.
So you couldn't touch the ground.
Dito na tayo.
Baka mas mura doon kasi mas ano na yan, malapit sa city. Ha?
Same lang din po ng price.
Ideal size.
Mahal eh.
No.
Ano pa? Yan na? O, yan na daw, kuya. Kahit ayaw ko, mahal kasi. Gusto ko patuwing sa iba. Ang ganda. Try ko. Maganda ba? Lumipat tayo guys ng shop dahil basta mamaya ako i-chika ba tayo lumipat. So ayan. Tupakin din kasi ako. Pero same lang yung unit and different price. Ganda. Malalim. Pero wag kang pa rin mag-iwan ng gamit na importante dyan. Dahil yan ay nabubuklat lang nila yan. Pero malalim yan para dukutin.
Ano kaya to?
Ha?
Free na to.
Ano pa?
Itong free na to.
Kaya na yung mga parang vest. Tinurungan ni Michael. Tignan ko daw yung gitna. Ganda. Abot mo ba yan pa? Abot ko kaya yan? Abot mo yan. Kaya mataas. Ganda. Pa, mag-drive na nga. Ang dami, ganyan nga pag natin. Ang dami eh. Ha? Tapos driving out. Yeah, yun talaga yung hinabot. Ang free. Free pala yung iniintay ko. Ha? Ay, na-import yung plastic ko na. Ano parang basura? Ang kalapang. Ang free. Mukha akong free. Pawalimutan. Helmet. Saan ano yung helmet mo pa? Yay! Okay, oy. Nagsuka ang bebe na yan. Smile. Ngayon, bantot mo talaga.
Iikot ako doon.
Saan ka magdadrive?
Nandito po yung battery.
Battery is there.
Nandito
I
po
wa-
yung battery.
I watched him put it in.
Hmm.
Clearings. Dolph Blue.
No.
Screwdriver. Philip screw.
Yeah.
Philip.
Video natin si Lolo.
Are you sure?
Hmm?
49 to the litre.
Bagong kuha.
Yeah. Done 36 kilometre.
Uy, 36 already.
So there's 49.3 kilometres per litre. That's the vote. 36 kilometres. I don't have to do this. I'm not hard enough.
What's that for? Wala? Oh.
And when you pull it comes up.
Oh.
So it doesn't roll away. Yeah.
Nice. Sakto lang. Sa akin ay ano, hinlalaki ko na lang yung nakatukod.
Yeah, it must hold a lot of litres.
Alis dyan, Sai.
Maybe 8 litre.
Saan ka dadaan pa? Saan? Sige. Yung phobia ko sa buhangin, hindi pa rin nawawala. Takot pa din ako. Hi!
So pretty. So pretty. So sexy.
Yabang! Ni Don! Ang ganda. Ang bilis. Alis dyan, Ash. Parang ganyan din yung sa asawa ni Ate Rona. Ganyan din yun, no, Honda?
Alin pa?
Hi, we're having a ride. Okay. Tayo lalakad. Aray ko. We're driving. Nibinyagan natin ang motor ni Papa. Yes. Hi, Kayla. You like that?
You've got good slope.
Yeah.
You could grow grapes or anything.
Yeah. Ano?
You could,
You have a good lad.
you could dig some trenches across the road to water. That's the next
Hi, Michaela, where are you? Wait, don't move, ah. Kayla, say hi daw. Hi. Hi. Are you gonna turn around? Hi. Don't move. She wants to stand up. Ah! Hi, Papa. Hi. Hi.
I'm not going to hurt my little body. Myself, that's fine, but not hurt my little body.
Wala si Papa. Tapos na din. Careful. May baboy po. Hello! Galing na tayo sa ride. Good morning daw. Ang kalat guys ng ating dagat dahil bumagyo, diba? So puno na puno ng basura dito. Inanod yung mga basura na galing sa dagat. Nay, tinatapon ng tao syempre. So ayan, dito nag-anuhan. Kapangpang. Tsaka ang daming nyog, kahoy, tsaka damo, seagrass. Picture lang. Ang ingay. Ayan, daming nakalutang guys, oh. Tsaka yung mga bunot-bunot, kahoy. Parang buko yung iba. Makalat ang ating beach, isn't it? So, i-chika ko pala sa inyo guys kung bakit kami lumipat ng tindahan, ng motor, ng shops nung kami ay bibili para sa papa ko. Actually, yun ay pa-birthday ni Mr. Kasi yung dating motor na binigay ko sa papa ko ay parang 2017 ko yun eh. pangit na, nagka-ano-ano na siya, gulog, ano na siya, parang basag-basag na, tapos marami ng sira, ganyan. Kaya pinabirthdayan din ni Mr.
Father's gone out on the boat.
Hi! We're gonna eat pancit. Pancit hub-hub. No. This one, you can play with this. It's okay. Yes. Don't put it on the sand, Kayla. She don't want me. And she went on my stepmom. You want more? Ay! Hold her. Ay! What is this? It's wet behind me.
You want cushion for it?
No. She's fine.
Do you want some dry?
I'll give you some...
Fish ball?
No.
Green.
Veggie. Is it nice? What do you think? You usually put some vinegar on it. It's called pancit hub-hub.
Yeah.
Especially made in Quezon. You want some?
She said she
vinegar?
was going to put some on. I said, yes, I'd try.
Okay.
But if you want some on, you get some. Then you'll eat it if I don't.
No. I'm gonna put a little bit vinegar here. So if you want to, you can try here first. Oh, hold her then. Don't throw my, Kayla ha, my case. Okay, let's see your reaction. If you're gonna try.
Look, she's dropped it.
Oh, it's dirty na.
No, she's going to pick it up and eat it again. Let me throw it away. No.
No, the dog sleep in there, Kayla. You cannot have that. Gonna give you some. Here.
Here. Oh.
Don't drop it. Straight to your mouth. Try. So why we did not buy scooter there? I haven't mentioned yet. About to. Because I'm looking for free.
No.
Free helmet. And a bit of discount because we're gonna buy it for cash. So they did not give me, and what the lady said, whatever, how much they got it from the dealer, they sell it the same price. Well, that's not true. You're not gonna sell anything without profit. Yeah? Especially you're renting a space. The owner is giving them a salary, So that's not possible. So, and the lady also is not smiling, look grouchy.
So I wouldn't say
Simangot.
that. I would just say you tried that.
I tried. We came back twice.
You weren't happy with the fact that
The service. Well, the man that assisting my father is fine, but the lady in the cashier on the table she's not smiling. She's, look like a grouchy
you could say
face.
you weren't happy with the price because there was nothing included.
Yeah, and
Yeah.
also it's so expensive. The
And
one we looked
We didn't have
at,
to set up, and we went to Lucena and
city,
went to
another 30 minutes.
Star.
Yeah, same Honda.
and the same scooter was
A lot cheaper.
over 1,000 peso cheaper, and we got free
No,
helmet.
2,000 cheaper. 2,000 cheaper because the first shop is 89 something and we got it 87
something, yeah.
something. But the thing is, the one that I usually want, because remember when you said you don't see the difference, and then I said that only the design.
Just the
That
click.
one, that one white and black is 86 something, and the one we got is 87 something. So only 1,000 difference between each. Yeah.
Yeah, and
Yung black na nakuha namin, guys, maganda. Ayaw ni
And you
papa
got
ko ng may
a free
sticker.
helmet,
Free helmet.
3 years registration,
Yeah, that's
A
normal
jacket.
always. A jacket. A oil.
And some oil for the
Some
service.
oil. And a card voucher. What do you call that card?
card is
Discount
for-
card. Discount for the service.
discount for service in
Yeah,
spares,
for service and everything. Yeah. So, it's worth moving to a shop. But my father said, it's okay here. I said, no, we're gonna look for somewhere else. So, lumipat kami, guys, last minute. At isa pa, ibibigay sa akin ay display unit, which I don't want it. But anyway, I'm happy because we got free helmet
So-
and discounts. That's the main things.
The main thing was he got the one he wanted.
And he got the one he wanted, yes. No, he got what he wanted and I got what I'm looking for. Yeah? Not I want, but what I'm looking for, because you're gonna pay for cash. You don't even
You
have a
got the
free
best
helmet,
deal.
or you don't even have a free umbrella. How much the umbrella? They can buy 100 pesos for umbrella. Yeah? Just to give it free? Or a
What would
freebies?
the helmet be? 1,000?
Yeah, it could be 1,000 or 800, something like that, because it's half face helmet. So
They're saying
that's
it's
not.
20,000, but no.
So yes. Last minute lumipat pa kami.
No.
Ewan ko pag ganun talaga. Sabi ko nga nakita pa ng
Can
papa
she
ko
have some
ang
bread?
topak ko. Maybe, yeah. She can have. I usually give her some bread. Loka-loka, no? Hi. Ay. Uwi na dapat kami, guys. Kasi yun lang naman ang aming pakay
No,
dito.
you got
Ibili
that
ng
one.
motor si
This one's
Papa.
mine.
Kasi hindi na nga safe yung motor na binigay ko. Sobrang luma na. And wala na ring brake. Pagdating pa lang namin, inayos na ni Mister. And then, uwi na sana kami. Kaso sabi ni Papa, gusto niyang ipasyal sa cave ulit si Mister. Tsaka meron ditong sandbar. Pero bihira yata yung lumitaw. Hi!